Hi, I'm Dave.
And I'm Tracy.
And we are JemBrook Designs.
Welcome to our passion project. People always say do what you love. What I love doing is being creative. Designing, being creative, refinishing has always been a passion of mine. It's something I've always enjoyed doing.
Tracy has the vision. She has the design. I've got the skills to use tools.
It's a good team. We work together well as a team, and I think it's fun to work together. So what do? Refinishing old wood projects, whether it be hutches, buffets, table and chairs. Just something we like to do. I love the design aspect of it. I love being creative. Dave is very skillful when it comes to tools and saws, and
I've always liked the woodworking aspect of things, right? So I've always liked putting furniture together, making my own things, creating some different pieces out there. JemBrook Designs came from actually my two girls, Gemma and Brooklyn. JemBrook Designs was a perfect fit.
And it's a great combination.
So follow our work on Facebook and Instagram at JemBrook Designs.